Hi and welcome back to Sci-Fi Builds and episode 25 of the Guardians of the Galaxy ship build. You join us at the beginning of bag 12, and after this I think there's only 2 or 3 bags left, so we're making really good progress. I might be able to get through bag 12 in this one video because there aren't many stages, just a lot of fiddly bits, so we'll see how we get on. And we're starting off building the interior of the ship slightly by installing a seat and some controls. So the controls, try and lift this up a little bit. So the controls go onto these hooks here, and they look like they go on there. That's quite easy. And the other one on there like so. And then the seat goes, should go goes back. Right, so what happens if we put the seat in first? That's great, let's just come off. That's the seat in. Control 1. And Control 2. There you go. That's that goes in there. So they go on the hooks, seat goes in place. And that's that. Now we're going to start building the actual front of the canopy. And for that, we're going to use these pieces. So we take our 2x8, 2, 4, 6, 8, like so, and the 2x3s, and they sit underneath it like so. So it's 387, 388. Takes these little corner pieces and extend that. Like that. 389, we flip this upside down and we pop this little bridge piece just there. 390 requires quite a few pieces. I think we're making the left and the right. So take one long piece, pop the corner on there like so, a grey 4 stud on there, and then a single stud there. Flip it that way up, we put a single stud and the 3rd one in. That apparently sits like that by the looks of it. How many times have I said that and ends up being wrong? Anyway, we take that long 8 piece, pop ourselves on there like that. So we're just making up exactly the same but for the other side. And then that should sit on there like that. 391, so flip that way around. Few pieces for 391, and these little beigey colour seat sections going that way around with the hooks, double hook going there, 2 stud there, double hook there. 392. Right. So hold it this way around. Take the corner section and pop it on there. single stud to level it off and pop that there. Take a little snot brick and pop that attach it next to it. And then the larger snot brick goes on the other side. Then we repeat that on the other side, so that goes there. Single stud there, single snot there, and longer snot there. That's 392. 393 is a little bit of a mini build. And that involves taking two studs, then a corner, then we take the grey snot piece like that, and then the black underneath it, put a 2 stud on top, take these little binoculars and a quarter of a circle, and a quarter of a circle up, and then the binoculars go on top, like that. And that should, he says, looks like that should, and it should sit on there and go on there. I think it goes on there like that. That looks right. Okay, so that's how it goes. Goes on there like that. So they are sided, left and right. So the other one we have to make slightly differently. We'll put those two together. And we'll have it facing that way. Black one on top. Sorry. Grey one on top, black one underneath. 2 stud on, there, quarter circle there, and then that goes on like that. Right, 394. These little bits here. So what we do, we put the pink cheese wedge on that way around, and that's going to sit in there, so that's level. Do the same for the other side and get a cheese wedge facing the other direction. And pop that in there. And then that sit there. Sit there. Like so. These little orange triangle pieces sitting at the back. One there, and one there. This piece is connecting those two together, so it adds a bit of strength there. There we go. So that's like that. That's 394. 395. And those pieces here. And again, there's a little mini build that we have to do. So we'll take our 2x3, put a slope section there, and our corner piece like that, and the corner piece can come around it like so. Single stud goes there, then we pop ourselves on a cheese wedge there, cheese wedge there, and then another cheese wedge I ain't got for some reason. Oh, different style cheese wedge. It comes off. I didn't look at the picture properly, so that's the wedge with the stud. So that goes there, and that one goes there, and then this cheese wedge goes there. There we go. Right. And this one, with this piece facing this way, goes on the end like so. Now, I've got my wedges mixed up. Looks like I might have done. So that goes there. And that goes there. And that goes there. Corner piece from there. I'm missing 2 pieces. Okay, the pieces. Right. That goes there. That one goes on top. That little cheese wedge goes the other way. And that sits on there like that. It's still quite delicate, some of these pieces. So 396. Again, a small build for 396. That sits on there. Then we have these little single stud pieces on there. And then one there. And we make it up with these sloped pieces. One comes on like so. One comes on like so, and that sits here on that part there. 397 is doing the same for the other side. Well, it is slightly different. Pop that on there, and we have and double check on the correct stage, check it back off. So that was 395, 396. It's 2 different. 396 splits it into a left and a right side. I'm so used to doing different instructions for different sides. So that goes on there. That one goes on there. And the little stud goes there. And that goes like so, and that one goes like so, and then that sits there. 397 is this section here that I was making up, and again there's a left and a right side. Double check this. That's what. That's supposed to be on there, and that's the other. Okay. In the diagram, it shows that those 2 edges are level, but they're not. And they wouldn't be either, unless, and then that would be wrong. Yep. I'm totally confused with these wedges. So they are, that's how it sits. I might do one of these videos where I get everything right. Right, don't hold out any hope though. So that goes that way. That one on top. That one there. That one there. And that can go just there. 397, 398. And we're going to put on some nice orange colours on here. So that goes on there like so. Then we have our two-piece that sits there and there. And you can really see the shape in front of the ship taking place now, can't you? So that goes there. With the wing sections here. Two-piece at the back, and it falls apart. It won't do in a second because I'm going to put a piece on there that's going to tighten it up. This is going to hold it all together, like so. There we go. So that's 398. 399. All of these little pieces from 399 all the way through to 403, 404, just to finish this bag off. And this is all just like detailing sections. So 399, we require that. Those two, and those two. So I'll put those to one side for a second. And that goes that one hold, and that one going, and that one going that way round. And we've got these two hooks. That way. And then that one goes like that. And that goes on there. Like that. 400. Quite some of these pieces. And that. Start from the plain there. That goes on there. So that one will go on there as well. That little section will go that way around. And on there. And these pieces that goes on that side. Looks like it's same for this side. Right, and then that goes on there. That should go on there. That's looking pretty good so far. 401 would like this orange piece on like so. And this little quarter of a circle, one going that way. Yeah, one going that way, and the other one going the other way. Like that. So we've got to create that same pattern on the other side. Like that. Now then, the canopy comes into play here, and that sits on there like so, and shuts with a nice round section here. 403, little mini build. Okay. And these two going this way. Okay. And the grey goes this way. And on there. And these go on the top. So one's going to go, the orange goes on top, followed by the grey underneath. Okay. Attach that onto the actual ship itself, like so. And that's it for bag 12. On to bag 13. Thank you so much for watching. These are spares from this bag. I'll put them with the rest. Yeah, if you're enjoying the build, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out Sci-Fi Fans Movie Trivia as the sister channel as well. Link in the description below. And I'll see you in the next episode where we begin bag 13. And that will be the penultimate bag in the series. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye.